All them 3 youth they just come then every day, so. 3 days straight, man, I see them youth. They suspicious, man.
Cheers!
Yes, Uncle Alfred!
What?
Yes, Uncle!
Forward!
Yes, Uncle.
You, when I tell you, sir, we're going to go up a tap it, we're going to drop off some things to Miss Jen.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
So, and this year we're that long, black hat something in the sun.
Now, remember I said through the beast thing, man, so I'm hide it. I remember some non-ladies them too say. You see me?
You know, and the ladies them too say.
No.
You should have glad say, and then your face you get stick.
No, cause some dead I got some and just get it.
Alright, come up pack the box.
What them and oh, look again. Uncle, look again.
Cheers.
Oh.
Them they're not ready yet.
Oh.
Pick that one here right.
But this not fit, Uncle. This not right.
Fit cheese.
But it's not right.
It's not half a ride. When Miss carry out here, she can put it down and to ride fast. Just wrap it up in a newspaper.
So she have 3 yards to put it back on for right?
Just you pick it.
Yeah.
Fast. Check.
I don't know about going provision. Oh, them like me so big.
Sub orange. And a lime. Pick one of them.
Anyone?
Pick one, the big one then.
Yeah, man.
Cheers. Nobody trouble them, them not ready yet.
So not doing them already. I doing them before them ready.
Forward. That name Alec here. Go up there, sir. Pick for the break them. And just start up and put it in the box. Right.
said 2, but I carry more than 2.
You 2 bunch of grape me didn't need, yeah?
No, I don't not eat more. I just do every ripe one and see my pick it. Alright, that.
But go up there this morning, I sure say grape up there.
I must do you like one of them pick one of them. No. But they are gonna give you that, but they are cold them first. Okay,
Take out the box.
leave it from morning.
Forward. Cheers.
Okay.
See, the things they might on the farm. I hear one set speed in a youth. So you really don't have to, you have to take things, you know. Because I hear one.
I just something take it.
I understand. But the principal thing for do is ask.
But you never done him.
I mean, I never did here. So I never did around this when you go take the grape then. And when you take the Subla Ranger off I tree.
You never did beside me. There you go.
You're messing to you. If you ever take something off my farm, ask. Before you take it, anywhere me there, you call me. If you're not there on the farm, wait till you forward and you ask me. Come on, you get out of that habit where you think so you can just take things and don't do the principal thing by asking. No of us. That's something I teach you. Ready?
So I got tap it.
If I walk where I walk, there's a tap in there, brother.
Tie sleeves.
So I will take the shortcut.
I must take a shortcut. I couldn't tell.